All right, so now this one is going to be that with the capacitor on the secondary coil on the ballast, and capacitors isolating the outputs. This is what you get with two capacitors. Oh. It's got a little spark. That's all you can charge. Move this over. And this is with one capacitor. Very mild. This is without a pulsar. And here's with no capacitor. It's almost nothing. Now let's try with one capacitor on the other one. It's like a combination. Till the forward phase shifts. So yeah, it matters which one the capacitor is on, whether it's on the base or the casings, or if it's on the hot lead. So we'll try with one capacitor, see what it gets. Okay. That is really cool. And since I got a pulsar, I can just flip a switch, turn on. And it turns it to that. And does this. Try it back on two capacitors. Without the pulsar. And scoot that back a little. Two capacitors without the coil, or without the pulsar, I mean. Ooh, that's burning pretty good. A little dark there though. Almost like better with one. Ooh, there we go. Should probably maybe try whiting it again. Oh, it's burning pretty good. Ooh. Sure. And then I was going to try it with just the one capacitor on this side, the casing side. Let's see what I get. And this is that one. Should be about the same. I like it. And I didn't try without a capacitor, right? If I do recall. And this one looks like this should remind us. Oh, and yeah, pulsar's off. Yeah, without a capacitor, you get that. So it gets. Ooh. I almost like that better. Wow. That looks cool. Without a capacitor. Other than the one on the secondary ballast. But let's try it with the wait. Yeah, with the pulsar this time. It's at 24 for the frequency. Yeah, the pulsar doesn't do this any good. That's more for a neon sign. let me test this with a ground connection, see what we get. So I will attach the alligator clip to the probe. And the other end's connected to ground. We'll check the volts on this. Yeah, this goes up to 750, it says. And so see what kind of volts it would send to ground if it were to shock me. See it first up to 1,000, then nothing. That's just the initial inrush. So now I see 5, little 10 volts. Oh, you see it do the overload, but you know, it doesn't damage it. So now let's try that on the other end, just to make sure that it's not a fluke. Oh, only 300 on that side when it turned on. I see it go to 1500 that time, or 14 something. Weird. But yeah, I wouldn't be afraid of getting shocked by this. See what one probe does to it? Nothing. Into ground? Nothing. Safe.